it or not, every VC has to follow. All Central University does exactly the same thing that we did. You have to approve it from the Academic Council, then it has to be approved by the Executive Council, then that is minuted. He has not minuted it well. Then it has to be, actually this has to be confirmed. Once it is confirmed in subsequent meetings, papers that we have for 100th meeting, where the resolution where we have raised that it cannot be implemented from 2024 has not even been recorded. The MDC course that we have approved in Academic Council and what has been sent in college doesn't match, simply because the committee who was entrusted to do it. Who likes to all the emergent Academic Council meeting, because 100 members from Shillong campus. You can't insult members of Academic Council. Their signature has a value. They have signed, and when they have signed, how can students in the colleges, principal have implemented, they like it somehow. We all know, MCTA, Nehuta, everybody knows there are serious flaws. I would request any parent, any student to ask the Vice Chancellor, where is my third semester course? What I'm going to study? They have no answer. What I'm going to face in exam? What is my structure of exam? No idea, because there's no model question paper. Exam is supposed to be in November. He is taking us for a ride. Initially, the fight of Nehuta, MCTA and others were for a rollback. But right now, we are not harping as such. I'm using the word very carefully, not harping. We will discuss in Academic Council as and when it is being convened. When we listened to him, that what was the urgency for him to backstep us? When Academic Council has resolved, there was a voting done in Academic Council that it cannot be implemented 23-24. Only 5 people have raised their hand in support. Rest of them said it cannot be, and it was settled. Yet he went stabbing us at the back, and he went and bulldozed the college principal, saying that Academic Council, and he issued that later dated said 12th of July, where the OSD has said that, Academic Council 110 meeting has actually approved. And we have not. And there are serious procedure flaw, because, why I'm saying it has to be very, very clear, because nobody should misunderstand Nehuta or MCTA. We are all for our students. These are our blood. This is our flesh. I think I will be very scared if I have to send my kid to college to study in this kind of scenario where I don't know what they're going to study in 3rd semester, 4th semester, 5th, 6th, 7th, and 8th. And that's where we were harping that let the whole picture be clear. Then yet student wanted it, yet principal wanted it. We said, fine, then let's discuss about it, how to move ahead. And that's why we said that you must convene. But he didn't agree. Finally, we have to go for a signature campaign, whereby our RA5 under clause 13, it provides that if you get requisition by 1/3 of the total membership of the Academic Council, he is bound. I'm using the word. It is not his choice anymore. He is bound to call this meeting, whether he liked the topic, he doesn't like the topic, it is not in his hand anymore. And I know he has also announced, trying to play games with us, and he has announced one normal Academic Council, which has no reference whatsoever with our meeting that we have requisition. There is no reference whatsoever about our meeting that we have asked for. And that's where we are saying that we demand immediately this emergency requisition meeting has to be called in next few days. Otherwise, things are not going to happen easy in any case.
Nomor kajingkren jongi barnu visi nakabolong jai kalakut. Nomor kan noseng nilai kendu bukan Nehuta bukan isi full isi nantangil apa sigi breu armut ki bolong jai ini ekran lese sutho harne nyimla ban sutho nomor impwa iong bm nganum khot ya ka emergent Academic Council meeting hanre habangi undon lachu ni khot ni lesson nda ka requisition nama kadon haka regulation jongi RA5 clause 13 kaong ba lada visi tre ban khot pila ban dawa tang ba pidon kam Chipawa naka amai Chipawa ki naki 1/3 amai kum yong ne tamat ngidon kam kumba ngi ladang ngidon chispa san phong mun lese ngidon kam san phong mun hanrei chispa ngun ngela dep sign chisin la dep sign chispa ngun tamat la shu ban le hanrei de ban khot ba ya ka meeting hanrei ban ba mantaro khot sha ula long kumba ula shat yangi gi la dep ong ye hakaten parang yang backstabbing yong yi ba you have backstab pila dung yang na din ya academic council number hawa academic sekarai kumno pia sakman lana pimunjul kum ka isi phawan 5 yang chaka AC ka AC kan ya kran biang ka AC ka ai kum kita ka jingmun to ya perkhat yang kum bai lada ka AC ka kwa kala ban pediang ya kata ka resolution jong ka executive council nang ta kan 1/5 yang chaka juga lada ka kwa kyong nyimpen kelasyo kum ka academic council ni larai nomor hangto kala pen pau mde bangi ya isi ya ka NEP jongkai PG leng lada Pyntreikam mentak kadang ya third semester tak kano kala dei ka fourth semester hanrei ka jing bakla jing kerki jongi haka ka por PG nimpa benlong haka UG hanrei chapo Delhi umra ka jing jongi kum ka university umra ka jing jongi khna jongi nangni ka beki ka jing na bentak ka CUET center keleng ki khna jongi ka hapre Tripura Sharachi CHA belai exam hanrei ye kata ka issue nangni napo mekhalia umra sa Delhi hanrei ke kat ba pha ka Delhi usu kwa bai ban buldo sane su kwa bai ban nyan ba changi u khain tranya kai bagi bitar kum member jong academic council kum ka seng Nehuta ba u khain tranya kai academic council don VC haka history jong kan Nehu borosi kata lasan pos nem tam judon uweru VC udon ki bas ne mo lese sne harakan ne harne buat sirwastawa wasne katto katuru ya kai academic council khain tranya lada don ke banan kaman kana kai academic council one be chakai academic council hoi porba le ka hasa ko mangale pang ula manipulate laki lakai ki minis jongki academic council tang ban pendu ya ka hasa hanrei what president of India ru kimla ka an ji kanon jongi bala shna hapo ka Nehu act statute ordinance ba regulation ka de kum ka an bangi pendengkap ka nama kala approve ka parliament undon bala un khil let tangga academic council haka academic council larangi mencur kim larangi ong hoi kan ya chakmat larangi ong kamla ban ya chakmat la ban ya London jongka academic council kamkwa bangin ya keren tanya ke sarkar namar PMCTA gila keren labun bunsen namar mengibat ke state government lengi mia don jingi dei tan namar ngi ya naka central government hanrei mental apa ka por ngatrai ka jingkerpa jungi kum ka Nehuta ka jing kerpa jungi kumi nohikai kumu hunmen jogini ki khna ki lesi ki bapule apa an kerjuan balade ka por bapin hot yone VC ong ye haba ki nohikai la ai da ka jing tho AP chis pangun ki la dep sign ban khot ka special ne ka emergency academic council meeting banyak keren halor kane ban pen bet kini ki jing tuna life hujat badan hakane ka jing Pyntreikam ya ka NEP haka undergraduate level balai phim khot no manta hapo arsngi laisngi kane ka problem kan kut sandan kerpan yi khna ki badang pulia ka first semester one hapo Nehu one bar ki kimi pa keli yone VC hapo third semester ke ingin pule lada deka arts lada deka science lada deka humanities music kat bolong keli university peni yangi haka third semester pen hikayo unong done namangi pat kre hado kata takadong yang beli bangi kerki badon kam ban khot yakane ka emergent academic council namar ka issue kala kerki pala ngimdon porshu jinshap how November ngi develop exam hanai hado mantangi tangka question paper ng khamsan moderation padap lanungin lai dai kam hanrai ukhain sting bat usu sang ba che ngimtem hanrai don por ban shong hangne ban parkhat ukhain sting bat umut bai ngan su bulldoze bai kat bala ngan su yo ben ngan su le ben kat baka kwa hanrai so tho ba ke academic council member kim de ki bobbi ngiru ngi de ki professor rangkat bat nging don ka hok jongi ngitip ngin persyakat bangila ngim ailat dalai leru baun yo tranya ka academic council nang ni sakamat lek dang jo lada umben menta nganget skemba hadin kane lese dep singan tar ganta unwan ka jing mujung perkhat ka babha kata ka de ka jing dawa jongi ngin ban be ya kata longkat bolong ngim randin shu ngin tur be sakmat hadu in ben mai lane in e sandanya kane ka syuki ngi kum kan Nehuta ngi kum ki meta ngi kum ki we ki khat jongka seng no hikai hang ne ngi ya teli ngi long be kawai namar ngi kwa jing bha jongi khon jongi student jongi ki bapule haki college jongi ngim kwa baka ka lawai jongi kan long ka bedum